Have you ever wondered what would happen if artificial intelligence created your workout plan? Well, imagine a system that studies your body type, your strength level, your goals, and even how you move, then designs a training plan that's literally made for you. That's what AI is doing right now. AI fitness isn't science fiction anymore. It's here, and it's changing how people build their dream bodies. Instead of searching through thousands of workouts online or guessing what to do at the gym, you can now let AI analyze your body composition, track your progress, and tell you exactly what to do next. Here's how it works. The AI collects your data: age, height, weight, activity level, even sleep quality. It compares this with millions of data points from other users and studies to predict what kind of exercises your body will respond to best. It then creates a personalized plan that adjusts itself over time. Let's say you start skipping leg day, the AI will notice the imbalance in your progress and automatically modify your plan. It's like having a coach who never forgets, never gets tired, and knows more about your body than you do. But here's where it gets even more powerful. AI doesn't just create workout plans, it learns from you. Every rep, every calorie burned, every change in your mood or energy gives it new information. So, if you had a rough sleep or feel low energy, it can automatically adjust your routine to be lighter that day. No guilt, no burnout, just consistency. AI can even tell you the best time to work out based on your body clock. It looks at your sleep cycle, heart rate patterns, and daily activity to predict when your body performs at its best. Imagine knowing the perfect time to train for maximum energy and faster results. And it doesn't stop at workouts. Many AI systems are now combining fitness with nutrition. You tell it your goal, maybe you want to lose fat, gain muscle, or just stay active, and it calculates exactly how many calories you should eat and what foods will give you the right balance of protein, carbs, and fats. It's like having a personal trainer, dietitian, and data scientist in your pocket, all working together to build your perfect version. Now, you might be thinking, will AI replace human trainers? The answer is no, but it's definitely upgrading them. Trainers can now use AI to analyze client progress more deeply and focus on motivation and support, while AI handles the data and precision. Together, they create an unstoppable system for results. For example, apps like Fitbod, Freeletics, and Aptiv already use AI to design workouts based on your past performance. Some can even analyze your posture using your phone's camera and tell you if your form is wrong, right there on the screen. Imagine training at home, doing squats, and your AI assistant says, "Your knees are moving too far forward, fix your form." That's how advanced it's getting. The best part? You don't need expensive gym equipment. AI can customize bodyweight routines for your living room, outdoor walks, or even 5-minute micro-sessions between your breaks. Now, let's talk about motivation, the biggest reason people fail in fitness. AI is tackling that too. It uses gamification, rewards, and smart reminders that know when you're losing focus. If you've missed workouts, it doesn't just notify you, it motivates you with data. Hey, you're 3 sessions away from your best streak. Small nudges like that keep you moving forward. And guess what? AI doesn't judge you. No matter your age, body type, or fitness level, it adapts without comparing you to others. That's why people are sticking with their fitness goals longer than ever. In the next few years, wearable devices and AI apps will become one system. Your smartwatch will collect your data, your AI app will analyze it, and your virtual trainer will coach you through real-time voice feedback. You'll literally have a gym assistant on your wrist. So, if you've been struggling to stay consistent, or you're tired of random workout advice, try this. Let AI design your next plan. Start small, enter your data, choose your goal, and let it build from there. Within a week, you'll notice your energy improving, your performance increasing, and your plan evolving. Because AI doesn't guess, it learns, adapts, and grows with you. This is the future of fitness, smart, personal, and perfectly designed for you. The only question left is, are you ready to train smarter, not harder? Because once you experience what AI can do for your body, you'll never go back to traditional workouts again.